Do, re, mi, fa, sol, do, ti, do.
So BBKK Waterfall has always been on my list since the MCO. I've seen many posts on this amazing waterfall on social media, and I've contacted Salama Homestay regarding this waterfall. Looking at the photos once again on Google Image, and then also searching the location of Kampung Sadir where the waterfall is located. So it's not too far away, about 1 hour drive away. So this auntie here is the guide.
Small mini market here, Yang mini market. So just started the trail to BBKK waterfall. Today's weather is very good, it's a bit sunny, and the trail is dry. We just started from the roadside. I'm coming into the trail, so let's see how it goes. Paddy plantation. Sarai, the resting spot here. I think this is for the farmers. So there are rows of paddy being planted here. So they want us to be careful not to step on this weed-like looking paddy. So far the trail is quite nice. It's very clean, and they've actually cleared a very nice pathway for trekkers to go. And very happy to say that I don't see any litter around here. So it's very good. All visitors who come around here are very civilized. They don't really throw rubbish all around or over here. We are going up a hill, and it's quite hot today. Very beautiful. Look at the view. My goodness. These are the materials they used to make a hut. So the guide told us that this can withstand very long. It's a good quality wood. This is a resting spot. They built a bench here from some wood and the bamboo. Very nice. Okay, let me try. Sitting on the bench. Oh, nice. Okay, continue on. So now we are making a turn. Just now we're coming from the hut through the paddy field, coming down into the forest here, making a U-turn. And then we'll be reaching the waterfall already. BBK, Bak Buan Kukuot waterfall. Yay! Reached the waterfall. Simply breathtaking. Very beautiful.
We were told on average there will be about 200 to 300 people here during the weekends. Can you imagine that? 200 to 300 people here in this waterfall.
After the Bak Buan Kukuot waterfall, here we are at the other waterfall called Mabi Waterfall. Check this out.
Mr. William, the local guide, mentioned that kids about 11 to 12 years old jumped from this ledge down into the pool below. I think Kampung Sadir has a great potential to be an awesome local attraction. I was told that there are more waterfalls around here, and even a mountain that only the locals know of. Do plan your visit here with a local guide to support the community here. Always remember to be a responsible visitor and hiker, to abide to their rules, and also to preserve the nature to its best. In my opinion, there's no better time to travel locally and experience the beauty of nature. Always adhere to the SOPs given when traveling around. Thank you for watching. God bless. Take care and stay safe.